Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings. In this video, we are going to talk about the Cathie Ark Invest day trade, and if this is something that you have heard of, and what you can make of it, or can you include those as a strategy in your trading. So without any further ado, let us go ahead and dive in. So, well, first of all, let's answer the question: who is Cathie Wood? And what is Ark Invest? So Cathie Wood, if you go on the internet, she's the founder, the CEO of this investment company called Ark, ARK. So on the website on here, you can learn about 5 other ETFs. Each one of them, they have what they call active ETF, an exchange traded fund. Each one of them has a prospectus just like any other one. So you can download material for it. So let's say, for instance, you are interested in finding out about the philosophy. There's a whole thing about it in terms of the focus. The focus is on innovation. So Cathie Wood, that's her company, and it has been getting a lot of ink recently because she goes into medias, talk about her stand or her views on a specific stock, and that has created like almost, I don't know how to characterize it really. Imagine somebody who really will influence what others will be doing. Yeah, meaning, but at the same time, she's running a 50 billion fund. Yeah, each one of those. Let's go here for instance. So there are 5 of these ETFs. So let's actually go here where we can find them. So each one of them. So ARKK, ARKQ, ARKW, ARKG, ARKF. Each one of them serve a specific objective overall, right? So here, for instance, on this one, on the first one on here, you will learn that the net asset in this one is 17 billions. Yeah, no kidding. And then downloading the fact sheet, for instance, you have pretty much the top 10 holdings on here. This one, Tesla, is known for that. So note that FSX stock could be in multiple of these. I'm going to show you that in a minute on here. And so, and the name of them pretty much tells you what the fund focus on. So this one, ARKK, the first one that we click on here, define disruptive innovation. So anything related with technology. So hence, you saw the top 10 holding in this one: Tesla, Square, Roku, Teledoc, Baidu, Spotify, Zillow, Shopify, Chris, and Invitae. So those are the top 10 holding on each one with the number of shares that are held. So you go through the list of those 5. So that's one thing. The reason for this video is really, now that you understand what this is, so she's holding this money for her client, obviously, is that she publishes, so Ark publishes the trade that they take on a daily basis. Yes, that's published. So how for you can you go and obtain the day trade for Ark? They are posted on the website. So you can come on here. I believe you can come and subscribe to this, and then you will be able to get pretty much everything that's the trade for a given day. So that's really the question on here, right? So the question then, actually, let's go to this one. So arkfund.com trade notification. This is it. This is the better one here. So you can see the URL on here where you go, just sign up with your email, and then you will receive an email. They will show you a link to confirm that, and then you will be able to see that. So on a daily basis, you can come here. Today's Friday, so they don't trade every day. So today there was no information here, but typically you will come here and you will see the trade on here, and you will have the ability to download them into Excel. Here are the funds again, the 5 funds. But let us go through. Okay, is it something that you can use? So I haven't received mine yet. I registered, but I've seen what it looks like on people posting it on the internet. So what I stumbled upon is somebody actually, oh, here's a fact sheet regarding Ark Innovation, the ARKK here. Yeah. Oh, this is not too shabby, folks. This is an example, just like in any type of investment, right? So they're showing you here the growth of $10,000 since inception being 2015. and then comparing it to the S&P index and the M1WO index. I'm not sure what that one is, but in any case, you can see that this dwarf the return of the S&P 500 since 2015. Why, my friend? Because stocks that are leading this, Roku of the world, Tesla of the world, Square of the world, those stocks they have been, these are these yeah. So this is the fund performance. So this ARKK fund over 5 years 45%, over 1 year 152%. I mean, you can tell based on what Tesla by itself has done recently. If you remove Tesla from there, and then it gives you sector market capitalization, and the geographical location of that. Though that's just download that fact sheet. But the part that's at least made me want to do this video is, oh boy, I'm hoping that, okay, I stumbled onto this website since I wanted to show you exactly the trade that Ark take on a daily basis, right? So somebody, I don't know, I could find the name of that website, but this website not affiliated to Cathie at all. They call it Cathie Ark, and they say this is not affiliated here to Ark Invest or Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood, again, is the founder, CEO, and CIO of Ark Invest, the company that has those 5 exchange traded funds that we just on that website. But this person here has taken the time to show on a daily basis the stock that you can find out, the stock that's either buy or sell, that Ark Invest definitely got on. So here, I mean, it is very nice. I literally just stumbled onto this as I was doing some research. So let's say for the 25th, you can see, for instance, Snap. This sold Snap, yeah. So my question then is, how can you use this information as a trading strategy? So yesterday you found out that they sold Snap. Well, my friend, I can show you where's Snap today. So let's go to TradingView. Snap today went up. Yeah, Snap was up today. Snap gained to 2.5% or there. But let's quickly look at the daily charts of Snap on here. So meaning a trade by Ark Invest, how helpful is that trade in order to give you an indication for how to trade? So in the example of Snap on here, not so much between yesterday and today, but again, they just decided, hey, they sold. But let's actually go back to this one here. So this was just yesterday. So I can come in here, and that's really the feature that I like about, so the people who put together this website, I can't thank them like that. Oops. Okay, so okay, no option. Okay, sorry, that's oh, okay. So first of all, here's what when you get here, you can decide to go ETF by ETF. There are 5 of them, right? The 5 ETFs on here, or you can say combine. Yeah. So if you select combine, then you will see everything, because a stock, a specific stock, Tesla, Square, whatever could be. Let's use the example of Tesla here. Tesla is in 3 of their ETFs. Yeah. So they have holding of Tesla in 3 of them. ARKW, ARKK, and ARKQ. They're all US based. Okay, Baidu, CN, China, over there. So this here gives you the fund where that's a specific stock. Snap. Okay, thank you. So we can see all of the trade of Snap. So obviously, recently they have been selling Snap. Okay, so recently 2 days ago, but on the 5th they bought Snap. So let's see here on the chart of Snap, what's the price between the 5th and again, the number of shares. I mean, look at this. It's not that much, right? So a different fund here. So on this fund here is not the same fund. I mean, Ark own all of them, but on this fund on here, they bought some and then they buy some. Sometimes fund do this to rebalance, to do rebalancing. So that's definitely not unusual. But you can see on here, the recent trend on here, mostly sales of Snap overall. Let's say in the month of February, well, I mean, this one buying 2,000 shares is not really that much overall. And then the fund weighting, meaning that the contribution of that stock inside of that fund. Again, here the last column here is per fund, right? So that gives you some idea on the more. Okay, so the example of Snap, I just pick it randomly. But what got me into this, because recently there was this stock that they bought, and I didn't know that. I found out afterwards. This whole thing. So this one, Workhouse, February 24th. Yeah, there was a buy. I want to show you the chart of Workhouse on February the 24th, and then you tell me what you think. So here it is. So this is daily chart. So the 24th is this one, and then on the 25th, let's actually go to let's say a 30-minute trade thereabout. This is what happened on the 25th. It may not look like a big deal, but my friend, this here, if you were trading option right at the end of the day, there was this spike. Today, it had a small tiny spike as well. Earnings, actually earnings on Monday. Trading View, it's messing up your earnings on March the 1st. So in this case, lately for me, I've been hearing people talk about, oh, Cathie Wood has bought this. Typically it's buy. I mean, people, traders, typically the mindset is turned into bullish. So, oh, Cathie Wood. So at least with this video, you are to be able to see what Ark is buying. And obviously, you can do that through the subscription, or you can use this whomever put together this nice website on here, because the information is pretty up to date. What am I yet to do? And I'm asking for you viewers, if you have experience on to tell us how you are using the information that's about the daily trade of Ark into your trading strategy. Is it something helpful or whatever? For me, I definitely got my attention. Some that has been going on with Workhouse recently, because that stock just dipped a big time. A couple of when was it? Let's go back to the daily on here. The stock dip big time about the 22nd of February. So, and then on the 24th, Cathie Wood of Ark was buying it. That has been lately the theme of a lot of traders into, oh, Cathie Wood is buying something, because one of the first stock that I heard people associating her name with was definitely Tesla. And as you saw on here, for instance, in this one, Tesla, it's big in the holding in the 5 ETF. Actually, you can see that here, right? In terms of holding, so this tab here, you can come here on this tab and then just look at Tesla, how many fund that is. And this was updated as of January 2027. So here for us, we were looking at trade specific. So maybe you have been using it. Let us know in the video, or use this website. I will be doing that, and I will be providing updates on here at Successful Trading to see if I'm able to incorporate this as a strategy to be able to say, hey, if Cathie Wood of Ark is buying a stock or she's selling a stock, what is the impact on there? That's what we wanted to do in today's video, and we thank you for your time. Have a great weekend. We catch you on the next episode. Bye bye.